BNB hits new ATH at $800 as Altseason Index holds above 50. Is altseason finally here? Altcoin season. BNB. BNB hits new ATH at $800 as Altseason Index climbs to 51, while Bitcoin dominance falls 5.8% weekly to under 61%. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. July 23, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Binance Coin, BNB, reached a new all-time high of $800 as the Altseason Index climbed to 51, prompting Binance founder Changpeng CZ Zhao to predict that FOMO season may be approaching amid growing evidence of capital rotation from Bitcoin into alternative cryptocurrencies. The milestone coincides with Bitcoin dominance falling 5.8% in 1 week to under 61%, marking its lowest point since March and steepest decline since June 2022. The metric had peaked near 66% at month-end, suggesting the critical inflection point that historically precedes major altcoin rallies. Altseason Index shows a possible breakout. CoinMarketCap's Altcoin Season Index surged from just 16 a month ago to 51 this week. However, it remains below the 75 threshold that signals an official alt season, when at least 75 of the top 100 altcoins outperform Bitcoin over 90 days. Current market rotation patterns mirror historical cycles where Bitcoin rallies first before capital flows into Ethereum and broader altcoin markets. The total cryptocurrency market capitalization surged from $3 trillion to $3.8 trillion over 3 weeks, with Ethereum gaining 110% during the same 90-day period. Meanwhile, meme coins like Bonk, plus 148.7%, and Floki, plus 119.1%, posted triple-digit returns. In fact, lower-cap projects, including Pengu, recorded gains exceeding 500%. Technical analysis suggests Bitcoin dominance may be approaching cyclical highs around 65 to 67%, following a declining trend from 97% in 2017 to 73% in 2021. The pattern indicates that each successive cycle sees Bitcoin maintaining a smaller market share at peaks, potentially setting the stage for sustained altcoin outperformance through 2025. Technical indicators signal capital rotation phase beginning. Bitcoin dominance charts reveal a multi-cycle pattern connecting 3 major peaks: 2017 at 97%, 2021 at 73%, and a projected 2025 peak around 65 to 67%. The descending trendline suggests that Bitcoin's current dominance may be approaching its cyclical high before shifting to alternative cryptocurrencies, which are seeking higher returns. Furthermore, the ETH/BTC ratio appears to be bottoming in demand zones, while Bitcoin dominance approaches resistance around 65 to 70%. This inverse relationship often becomes apparent when capital is rotating, with the ETH/BTC ratio typically rising as Bitcoin's dominance declines. Altcoin market cap projections suggest potential expansion from the current $3.6 trillion to over $16 trillion, representing a possible 10,000% growth, following historical patterns of 18,000% in the first cycle and 12,000% in the second cycle. Each expansion phase has reached progressively higher absolute levels despite moderating percentage gains. The 4-phase capital rotation framework suggests that markets may be transitioning from Phase 1, Bitcoin dominance, to Phase 2, Ethereum leadership. Phase 2 typically sees money flowing into Ethereum while initially struggling to keep pace with Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum beginning to outperform Bitcoin consistently. BNB's breakthrough to $800 represents the type of major altcoin leadership that emerges during Phase 2, where established Layer 1 platforms and major altcoins begin outperforming Bitcoin. Historical precedent supports altseason development theory. Previous altseasons have followed predictable patterns, starting with Bitcoin rallies that boost overall sentiment and liquidity, before capital shifts into Ethereum and other alternative cryptocurrencies. The 2017 to 2018 alt season saw Bitcoin dominance collapse from 87% to 32% as ICO mania and Ethereum's rise drove market cap from $30 billion to $600 billion. The 2020 to 2021 cycle saw Bitcoin's dominance drop from 70% to 38% as DeFi, NFTs, and meme coins captured the attention of investors. Major altcoins such as Dogecoin surged in April 2021, as the Altseason Index reached 98, with the total altcoin market cap doubling during the explosive phase. Current market conditions mirror these historical setups, with Bitcoin having established new highs before stabilizing. The declining Bitcoin dominance trend from previous cycles suggests 2025 may see the third major altcoin expansion, potentially reaching massive absolute dollar amounts due to a larger market base. Ethereum's 110% gain over 90 days, compared to Bitcoin's relative stability, suggests that the rotation mechanism is in effect. The Altseason Index, which climbed from 16 to 51 in 1 month, indicates accelerating momentum, although an official altseason is typically defined by crossing the 75 threshold. Historical data shows rapid acceleration once rotation begins, with major altcoins typically posting gains exceeding 170% compared to Bitcoin's modest performance during peak altseason periods. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Cardano by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. XRP flips McDonald's in market cap. Could XRP reach $100,000? XRP price prediction. XRP sets new ATH, but fans are still furious. How quickly could XRP hit $20 from here? Press releases. Say goodbye to hoarding XRP. Under the Genius Act, top-notch crypto boosts XRP cloud mining. Press releases. XRP 2025. Will Ripple reach $6 with ETFs and whale activity rising? Press releases. XRP news prediction. XRP breaks through the historical high of $3.60, with a short-term target of $4. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in on July 22, 2025. 3 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.